Hi, my name is Marie Hunsinger, and I'm studying English education at Colorado State University. Today's lesson will focus on understanding verbals for 8th grade English students. Colorado Common Core Standard 3, Writing and Composition, will be addressed by this lesson. Specifically, students will be able to explain the function of verbals, gerunds, participles, and infinitives in general and their function in particular sentences, as in accordance with Section A1. They will answer the question, how does the use of correct grammar add clarity to writing? NET Standard 2A will also be met through this lesson. By using technology, students will design or adapt relevant learning experiences that incorporate digital tools and resources to promote student learning and creativity. For this lesson, you will need a whiteboard, dry erase markers, a smartboard, and each student will need to have a computer with internet. By the end of this lesson, students should feel confident about using verbals. Given examples of verbals, students will be able to classify each as a gerund, participle, or infinitive verb. The lesson will begin with a Schoolhouse Rock video on verbs. This video will act as scaffolding so that students can review how verbs work. They will need to know this information to understand verbals. Then, I will present the class with a PowerPoint explaining what verbals are, how they are used, and defining specifically gerunds, participles, and infinitives. After each definition, I will model sentences using that verbal. As a class, we will label the parts of the sentence and discuss how each part impacts the others. At the end of the PowerPoint, sentences will be provided using gerunds, participles, and infinitives. Students will vote on which type of verb they think is being used in the sentence. After your presentation, use the DICE application on the smartboard to give students a random subject and type of verbal. Using the given pair, students will create a sentence and volunteers will write their sentences on the whiteboard. End the lesson by doing a quick review of how and why verbals are used and discuss how the verbals are used in the required reading. This can act as a great transition to switch into studying literature. To assess their understanding of verbals, assign students to create a one-panel comic using the Web 2.0 application Pixton.com. Students' comments will depict a scene from the required reading and include a caption using an indicated verbal. This assignment can be altered to cater to students in different areas of understanding. If this activity is too difficult, struggling students can use a verb instead of a verbal in their sentence. If the activity is too easy, students can be challenged by being instructed to use a specific type of verbal, like a gerund as a direct object or an infinitive plus a prepositional phrase. I hope this lesson was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.